Hi everybody, Eugene, Canadian Business Enterprise Services, CBES. Again, our website www.cbes.ca. We continue with a new topic. Short, simple, dry, but might be useful to some of you. And that's what's the difference between named and numbered company, and what numbered company is. So in Canada, as an opposite to many other places in this world, you can literally register a company without a name. This option is open to anyone, not complicated, actually simplifies the process and saves you some money. So when you decide how to name your company and you have no name, or you don't want to use a name, or you want to use many names and you don't want to be limited to one name, which is odd but still a valid reason, you might want to register a company as a numbered. That is actually the default option in the registration systems, both federal and provincial, and look our video before, I talked about it already. So numbered company, is very simple. You don't need to do any prior steps. You just go directly to incorporation, provide corporate information, director's address, and the system generates you a random number, and your company would have a name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Ontario Inc., or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, Canada Inc. I don't have any preferences. So some would decide to do numbered, and you still can register a name, by the way. In Ontario, there's a master business license system that allows you to register a name under existing corporation or person. We talked about it in the sole proprietorship video that you can search above. Costs $60, provides you registration for 5 years. Pay attention, it expires. So if you really don't have name and you cannot come up with one, you can register a numbered company. If you, on the other side, want to do a named company, that requires one additional step, and it could be sometimes complicated. So that step is NUANS Search, and the specific search and system that provides a comprehensive comparison of your name to existing companies and trademarks registered in Canada, and shows you whether you create confusion or, in a very simple ways, if you steal somebody's name. Again, look our previous video, federal versus provincial. Somehow, for unknown reason, in the federal system, you get NUANS Search for $13 in 2 minutes. In provincial, you will get it for $50 in 10 minutes. Why? I don't know, but that's the system. And that step is required to make sure that your name is unique. Once you've registered your name and you got the NUANS Search, you can proceed to incorporation, and instead of choosing the numbered company, you choose named company, you provide the name, number of NUANS Search, and move on. Simple. Now, what else can it give you? And we spoke about it in our previous video about provincial versus federal corporation. Name gives you very, very basic protection. And I don't want to fool you, and I don't want to mislead you, and I actually want to warn you. It doesn't protect your name. Okay? If you registered a company named Apple Inc. and you did nothing else, it technically will not prevent me from using Apple Inc. name, without Inc. maybe, but for my product. Corporate name does not allow other people to register company with the same name, but it does not protect you as trademark does, and we'll talk about it later on in one of our videos. Follow us. But it gives you certain confidence that the name is registered under your company. You can use it with the banks, you can use it when you work, when you introduce yourself to clients. So it's important. Think about your name like with a child. That name might go with this company for many, many years forward. And you want it to be something that you confident, that you in peace with, that you will be using for many years to come. So the differences, minor, one step in the registration, $50 or $13, and some basic protection. If you have a name, better do it, don't leave it to a chance in the future. If you don't have a name, do the number. So I hope that clarifies a little bit the picture. Feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below. Follow us, subscribe. If you have some particular questions or you would like to have a little bit more detailed information, I would suggest to send the email through my website, www.cbes.ca. Just better for people not to see all your particular questions and my specific answers. And I'll see you soon with our next video. We'll talk more about corporation and developing your business. Thank you for being with us. See you soon.